Hello chess lovers, I have an interesting game for you with a final mind-blowing checkmate. With the white pieces playing a chess player named Dodge and his opponent is Jay R Houghteling. The game was played in 1904 in Chicago. Dodge started with d4 and d5 by Houghteling. c4 and e5, black is going for Albin Countergambit. The idea is that after d takes e5 d4, in exchange for the gambit pawn, black is getting a central wedge on d4 square and also some chances for the attack. But instead after e5 we see e3 in the game. E takes d4, queen takes d4, knight f6 and knight c3, knight c6, queen d1, bishop f5 and f3. Instead of developing his pieces, white is making some strange moves, which of course allows black to gain advantage. Here comes knight b4 with a threat of knight c2 check, queen a4 check, queen d7, and we see the exchange of queens. And still there is this threat of knight c2 check, e4, but black is first capturing on e4, f takes e4. Now comes the knight, knight takes e4, rook b1 and knight c2 check. Of course capturing on c3 and then on b1 is also winning, but black after rook b1 played knight c2 check, king d1, knight f2 check this time. Look at this mighty knights chasing white king, king e2, bishop c5. The second bishop is also coming to support the knight. What a position. Knight f3. This is already losing on the spot, which is blocking the king's escaping route. It was better to play bishop a4, though of course black has a huge advantage and this is going to be winning. But instead after bishop c5 we see knight f3. Here comes bishop d3 check, king d2 and bishop e3 checkmate. What a checkmate. Actually this was a terrible game played by white, but this final checkmate looks very impressive. That was the reason that I decided to publish this game. If you enjoyed this mighty checkmate, don't forget to give the thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. More games are coming. Good luck.